everyone, I am Leo and today I'm going to show you how to prepare homemade frozen yogurt. This is going to be a very simple and easy recipe. We're just going to need a blender like this one. If you don't have a blender, you can always use a food processor. If you're too young to use a blender, please ask a parent or someone older to help you out with it. We're just gonna need 4 very easy to find ingredients. Yogurt. In this case, I'm using authentic Greek yogurt, but you don't need to use this one. This one is lighter. It's 0% fat, which is better if you want to prepare a light meal, but any yogurt is okay. You can use any type of yogurt. Also, we're going to be using a little bit of honey. The brand doesn't matter as long as it is bee honey. So this one has all we need. Also a little bit of lemon juice. You can buy lemon juice in the supermarket. Lemons and chop them and make the lemon juice. Also fruit. You can use any type of fruit you prefer for this recipe. In this case, I'm going to be using strawberries because those are my favorite, but you can use pineapple, pears, whatever you prefer or whatever you have in your fridge. Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients, it's time to blend them all together. Remember that if you're too young to use a blender, you can always ask your parent or someone older to help you with it. So we're just gonna add the strawberries here in the blender. You can use the amount that you prefer depending on how much frozen yogurt you want to make. In this case, we're just gonna use 4 or 5 strawberries. I already chopped them a little bit before. This is not necessary if you're using a bigger blender. So I think this is gonna be enough for now. Let's add another one. Then the honey, in this case, this one, you can add it directly. That is about enough. The honey is very important because this is a natural sweetener, so you don't add any added sugar. And also this is gonna help our mix to be consistent. This is gonna give us the smoothie form that we want for the frozen yogurt. Also, we add the lemon juice. That is gonna be enough. Well, we can add it all. And the yogurt. You need to use a very small amount of yogurt. You don't need too much yogurt. So I'm gonna add that. A little bit more. Remember that the amount that you're using depends on the amount of frozen yogurt that you want and also the size of the blender. In this case, this is a very small blender, so we're just gonna make 1 or 2 persons portion. Okay, I think a little bit more, and that's gonna be enough. Okay. Now we blend the whole thing. Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients here in the blender, it's time to mix it up. Let's see how it goes. Now that we have our mix, it should be a little bit thicker than juice. We're gonna put it in a bowl. And now you just gotta leave it in the fridge from 6 to 12 hours. You can leave it overnight, and then tomorrow you're gonna have your frozen yogurt.